Hey everyone, in today's video we're gonna write MCP server in Python and VS Code. We're gonna make call to a custom API and we're gonna configure in VS Code and run in Copilot. Alright, let's start writing the MCP server in Python. I already have installed these dependencies in this Python project, request and MCP. And after done that, I have also already created this API call module. In this I have two methods, fetch weather and get coordinate. In our MCP server, I'm going to expose this API call to as a tool to the MCP server. And in this method, I'm just calling another method to get the coordinate based on the city provided. After getting these coordinate, I'm calling another endpoint to fetch the weather for that city or those coordinates. Okay, so I'm going to expose this method to our server. So let's start writing the server here. So in order to write server, first we need to import this library, the fast MCP. And once you get the fast MCP, then you need to define the server. And once you have the MCP server, the next thing we're going to define our method. First write simple method to get the weather. Okay, and then you need to give this description of the method. You can describe what this method is doing. Okay, and I'm gonna write fetch weather for a city. Then write the parameter description, the city value for call. Okay. So once you've done that, the next thing is to just call this over API. And all we're gonna do is gonna call like return fetch weather and passing the city. So that's it, your method is ready. And in order to expose this as a MCP tool, all you need to do is MCP dot tool, MCP dot tool. So your tool is ready, and the next thing you need to do is run the server. Yeah, that's it. Your server is ready to be used, and we're gonna use this in VS Code using GitHub Copilot. Let me add this to the VS Code, and then we're gonna call it using GitHub Copilot. Okay, so in order to do that, first we need to go to this setting, and then click on this command platelet. And click on this add MCP server. If you don't see this option, just type MCP and you will see the add MCP server option. And because we have written the studio, not HTTP MCP, so you're gonna click the studio. It's locally run, and because of our using Python, I'm using UV, so write the command, or maybe just Python. Name of the server, I will say fetch weather FW, and I'm gonna use for workspace only. So once you do that, you can see you can change the name and all these parameters here as well. And once you've done that, and the next thing you just need to define the command run, and here we need to give the path to the application server.py, and we need to change this slash to the backslash. Okay, so you are ready to use this server. You see this restart or error button, so you need to click on this restart and make sure your server is in running state. Now your server is running locally and it is ready to use. Now let's start the GitHub Copilot chat. And over here you can view this server. Click on this tools and go here and type your name of the server. So I say FW fetch weather, and if you go inside you will see the tools that are exposed using this MCP server. So get weather is the name of the tool we exposed. Okay, and this is the description we gave and the parameter description we gave. Okay, now let's try to use this here using FW fetch weather for New York. Okay, so it's asking permission to run this. Click on allow. So this will return all the information that actually being returned from the API. Yeah. That's it. Our server is being used here. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more such content. Thank you.